Today's video we feature a Mercury Cougar. This is made by Lesney, or in other words Matchbox. If you're a long-time subscriber to the channel, you may recall seeing this in the past. This is actually one of the eBay finds that we picked up a few months ago for dirt cheap. And it's certainly not in terrible shape, which is why I didn't know what I was going to do with it. But we're going to go ahead and customize it. Nothing too extreme. Really kind of plain Jane. We're just going to have some fun. And not only do we have this Mercury Cougar, we also have a Caravan, which in the States we actually just call this a camper. This is also made by Lesney. Features a beautiful orange door that actually opens. And for its age, it's in excellent shape. Now this was actually given to me by a coworker with a big box of Hot Wheels, and you can pick these up on eBay for about $2. Didn't see any harm in drilling out this and painting it as well. We're going to go ahead and put it in our vise, take our .050 drill bit, drill it in, and then use our larger drill bit to drill out the rivet. And here's the interior. And here you can see the door hanging from the base, as well as the interior. Next, we'll remove the glass. And then we remove the actual casting. Now it's time to start on the Mercury. We're going to start with our .050 drill bit, move on to our larger bit. This is actual speed, and then pop it open. The screwdriver, just like that. Go ahead and remove the base, which gives us access to the interior and everything else. Now this particular casting actually has turning wheels, so we're not going to do a wheel swap. We're going to remove the tires for now, so we can come back and paint the actual rims later. Now we can go ahead and remove the interior and play with the moving doors. Now we'll go ahead and finish out the rivet. Go ahead and tap it. That way we can put our screw in. It's a 256 button head screw. There'll be Amazon links to that screw as well as everything else we have in this video. And then we repeat the process on the Caravan. Now we went ahead and stripped the paint off. This is a Matchbox. They're quite a bit rougher than Hot Wheels, at least in my experience. So I went ahead and tried my hand at Zinc Electroplating. I had a lot of subscribers comment about that. Now this is not with the Zinc Electroplating here, this is just the bare metal, but I did do it off camera. And in my experience, if you've got pitting like we do here, especially on the hood, the Zinc Electroplating is not going to do a lot for you. It simply just adds a coating. Does not fill in pits or anything like that. But I will tell you this, it polished up really nice. And here it is after the paint. Now we did go ahead and use some Spectraflame on this. And we'll show you the color in a bit. And the paint turned out beautiful. I attribute a good portion of this to that Zinc Electroplating. It really makes the Spectraflame pop. And we used an olive Spectraflame on this. And then a chrome paint on the actual Caravan. I'm on a bit of a green kick right now, especially since we had that failure with the antifreeze paint on the last video. Go ahead and chrome the bumpers, as well as the rims, and the interior flat black. I don't know why, you will never see it, just figured I would. And then we'll use some tan leather on the seats. You see here, and we also painted the dash black as well as the steering wheel. I went ahead and primed the Caravan interior, and I painted it as well. Brown carpet, black seats, and then some yellow cabinets. Because in the 70s, you had yellow cabinets and brown carpet, just the way it was. Go ahead and reassemble the car, as well as the Caravan, glass first, then the door, interior, and base. Essentially the same as reassembling the car, minus the door. And with that, we're done. You may notice we did not change the wheels on the car or the Caravan. I like the car wheels. I love the Lesney rubber tires. And the Caravan, you really can't see them that much. They kind of tuck under the Caravan. So we just left them alone. And obviously it can be played with. And that's what's going to happen with it. And here's what we started with. Not terrible, but it's just a regular green Matchbox Lesney. And now we can almost 100% say we're the only ones with a Mercury Cougar Matchbox Lesney painted in olive green Spectraflame. So it's unique. You won't find it on eBay. Before we end the video, I'd like to thank our patrons. Don't have many, so we're going to name them all. That would be Corbin Toll, Gary Burke, Marshall Kicker, and then Thomas McNamara.com. Thank you again for the support. I really appreciate it. If you see any of the tools that I use in this video, be sure to check out the links. They're located below the video in the description. I have Amazon links to just about everything we use. If you'd like to be part of the monthly giveaway, head on over to Patreon. You can find the details there. I will have a link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post those below. And as always, thanks for watching.